In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a weather widget on Notion. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process, making it simple to integrate real-time weather updates directly into your Notion pages. Whether you're a long-time Notion user or just getting started, this is a great way to enhance your productivity space with up-to-date weather information. Let's start by heading over to your connected workspace. This is where all your wiki, docs, and projects reside in Notion. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is log in. If you're already logged in from a previous session, you can skip this step, but it's always a good idea to ensure you are connected to the right account to avoid any confusion. Now, navigate to your Notion home screen. This is typically your go-to starting point when using Notion, as it provides an overview of all your pages and projects. From here, you'll want to select the specific page where you'd like to embed the weather widget. It could be a personal dashboard, a team workspace, or any other page you frequently use, and where having real-time weather information would be beneficial. After you've chosen your page, click into it to make it active. This is important as it tells Notion you're ready to make modifications to this specific page. Once you're on the page, the real fun begins. To add the widget, you'll need to use Notion's powerful /command feature. Simply type in embed into the page. This command allows you to integrate various content types directly onto your page. It's a versatile tool in Notion that makes embedding external links into your workspace easy. Next, you'll need the link to the weather widget you want to embed. You might have sourced this from a widget provider or a weather service that offers embeddable widgets. Once you have the URL of the widget, go ahead and paste it into the embed block you created using the /command. This step is crucial as it's where you define what you want to display with the widget. Finally, after pasting the link, give Notion a moment to load up the widget. Once it's done, you should be able to see the weather widget directly on your page, offering real-time updates and forecasts. This addition can be particularly useful for seeing at a glance what the weather will be like without having to leave your Notion page or open another app. And there you have it, a seamless integration of a weather widget into your Notion workspace. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore other widgets you can add, further personalizing and maximizing your Notion experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!